वीरप्पा मोइली की प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में, जहां पर सस्ते सिलेंडरों की तादाद बढ़ाने पर बातचीत वो कर रहे हैं।
Sometime, of course, the complaints are also coming that they will have to pay the full amount, maybe 1,300 or whatever it may be, and then get the subsidy, which is, according to our officials, it is not exactly correct. The subsidy is always, subsidy is concerned. In fact, that will be paid if it is booked tomorrow. They will get the subsidy according to our records. But whatever it may be, there have been complaints that they have to deposit the full amount. Then there was a lot of inconvenience to them to avail the subsidy. And after having considered the full implication of the things and this is the sentiments expressed by everywhere in the country, many places, many states, including the chief ministers. Then the cabinet has taken a decision that a committee will have to go into the complaints, objections, raise the people with regard to implementation of the subsidy scheme. Then till such time, the entire Aadhaar linked or the bank linked scheme will have to be kept under hold. So the scheme has been deferred on hold till the committee submits a report on that. So one minute. Let me complete it. So that means to say that people now we are resorting back to the old system, where the subsidy will be deposited with the oil companies. They will directly pay the subsidy to the beneficiaries. You all know that 14 crore consumers are there. And of course, we had introduced a scheme called OAC, Own Your Own Account scheme, by which we could, in fact, 60 lakh customers who are not, in fact, have been eliminated on that because they do not exist. Now, with the Aadhaar, we would have saved about 3,000 to 4,000 crores, or still more, and the number would have been reduced another 2 or 3 crores. This was our hope. Ultimately, Aadhaar linked scheme will always benefit the customers because ultimately the genuine people will get the Aadhaar. Anyway, in view of the ground realities and also the sentiments expressed by everyone that there are a lot of problems in accessing the Aadhaar, and Aadhaar linkage has not been properly established, and the bank has, accounts have not been seeded in a big number, and there are a lot of and with regard to the getting the subsidy. In fact, we always pay advance for one cylinder, always pay deposit in the bank. But even then, it is felt that there will be inconvenience. People are not getting the benefits. Women particularly complain more, and we have received complaints from many of our chief ministers, including the Kerala chief minister, many others. In view of that, we are keeping, and till the report comes from the committee which is being constituted, that scheme, Aadhaar-based linkage DBTL scheme, will be kept on hold and deferred. These are the two decisions we have taken, and further Mr. Tiwari will explain.
मैं जो कैबिनेट का फैसला है उसका जो सार है वो आपको तर्जुमा करके हिंदी में बताना चाहता हूं। कैबिनेट ने आज ये फैसला किया है कि जो 9 सब्सिडाइज सिलेंडर लोगों को दिए जा रहे थे, उपभोक्ताओं को दिए जा रहे थे, फरवरी के महीने में उनको 1 सब्सिडाइज सिलेंडर और मिलेगा। मार्च के महीने में 1 सब्सिडाइज सिलेंडर और मिलेगा। 1 अप्रैल 2014 से 12 सब्सिडाइज्ड सिलेंडर साल में मिलेंगे। हर महीने 1 सिलेंडर दिया जाएगा। और जैसा मोइली जी ने आपको बताया कि क्योंकि पूरे मुल्क से ये रिप्रेजेंटेशंस पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्ट्री के पास, जो लोगों का प्रतिनिधित्व करते हैं, उनके पास आई, उस संदर्भ में यह फैसला किया गया है कि जो आधार लिंक्ड डीबीटी योजना है, जिसके तहत जो सब्सिडी सरकार देती है वो रीइंबर्स की जाती थी, उसका एक समिति विश्लेषण करेगी और जब तक वो विश्लेषण समाप्त नहीं हो जाता तब तक जो उपभोक्ता है उसको सब्सिडाइज्ड रेट के ऊपर जो पहले सिस्टम था उसी सिस्टम के तहत, उसी प्रक्रिया के तहत उनको गैस सिलेंडर मुहैया करवाया जाएगा। सो इन शॉर्ट, इट इज 1 cylinder in the month of February, 1 cylinder in the month of March, in addition to the 9 subsidized cylinders. From the 1st of April 2014, 12 subsidized cylinders in a year at the rate of 1 cylinder a month. A committee to go into the entire ambit of the DBT-linked Aadhaar scheme, and pending the review, the decision is to revert to the old system whereby the consumer will have to pay the subsidized price, which is about 450 odd rupees for an LPG cylinder. Thank you.
Yes. Any timeline, sir, for this committee to submit the report? And did the Supreme Court's observation on Aadhaar actually have any kind of impact on this particular decision, and especially the timeline for the committee to submit its report, please?
The timeline, timeline has not been decided by the cabinet. Maybe that, while constituting the committee, maybe there may be a timeline. We can't say today. And, of course, Supreme Court decision, it is being, they are not, to be very frank with you, after they said, what the order they are given, even then, despite that, we have been implementing the Aadhaar-based scheme. We have reported that also. We have also reported that. And, according to our latest statistics, 1 crore 70 lakhs consumers have been already perfectly linked, and they are getting the benefit now. And of course, we have already implemented the first phase of the scheme. When we were in the second phase, all these complaints came. Then we deferred some of those cases. But now that, we do not want that, any grievances whatsoever or any problem whatsoever should happen to the women or particularly to the consumers. We thought it appropriate that, the whole scheme can be kept pending till the committee comes out with the report. Then we'll implement it smoothly and after getting over all the administrative or technical problems.
Sir,
just to clarify, for those 1.70 crore people who had been linked to the DBT Aadhaar paradigm, they would also get the cylinder at the subsidized rate of whatever it is, 450 odd rupees. So therefore, the entire scheme of Aadhaar-based DBT linkage for LPG cylinders, that would be reviewed by the high-level committee, so that there is no confusion that, the decision of the cabinet to give it at 450 rupees or whatever is the subsidized price would apply to each and every of the 14 crore consumers.
Yes, please. One moment. The others are waiting. Sandeep, yes. Sandeep, please.
एक तो राहुल गांधी ने जब कहा तब आपको याद आया कि सिलेंडर बढ़ाना है, तो क्या ये राहुल गांधी का फैसला है? दूसरा, चुनाव से ठीक पहले आप ये फैसला ले रहे, चुनावी फैसला।
देखिए, श्री राहुल गांधी जी भी जनता का नेतृत्व करते हैं, वो भी एक जनप्रतिनिधि है और एक बारी नहीं 2 बारी चुन के आए हैं। तो अगर वो कोई बात कहते हैं तो उनकी बात को गंभीरता से लिया जाता है और ये कोई चुनाव से जुड़ा हुआ फैसला नहीं है। एक लोकतांत्रिक सरकार होने के नाते, एक संवेदनशील सरकार होने के नाते, एक ऐसी सरकार जो जनता की जो बात है उसको गंभीरता से लेती है, सारे पहलुओं के ऊपर चर्चा करने के बाद यह फैसला किया गया कि ये जो प्रक्रिया है, इस प्रक्रिया का दोबारा से विश्लेषण होगा, इसको दोबारा से संज्ञान में लिया जाएगा और तब तक हर उपभोक्ता को, जो 14 करोड़ एलपीजी के उपभोक्ता हैं इस मुल्क में, उनको सब्सिडाइज्ड कीमत पर जैसे पहले सिलेंडर मिलता था उसी तरह सिलेंडर मुहैया करवाया जाए।
सर,
Please, let's not have
how much will
shouting.
be the-
Everybody will get a chance. Just wait for me to call you. Please, sir, please. हाँ जी.
सर इससे सब्सिडी इम्पैक्ट कितना पड़ेगा गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर इन द टर्म्स ऑफ रुपी?
I have already gone on record saying about 5,000 crores.
Yes, please. No, please, not again. Please wait. Here. You did. Yes.
Yeah.
Manish, you defended the fact that Rahul